We're gonna be working in Firefly, creating some magical worlds.
One of the cool thing on Firefly is that when you see something that you like, that somebody else created, you can also like click in and then go play around with their setting, you know.
This is a great place to come for inspiration.
I might go with warm tone, dramatic lighting, and wide angle, because that's when I started, I like to make it like really wide open.
That show similar button is really great. I find that I can refine great concepts and get exactly what I need when I use that feature.
Let me see if I can take this out. Cool. All right, now we need a sky. Photo, well, we'll do landscape. And then maybe digital art too. Ooh. So I want to isolate the sky and replace the background. Now I can mask it. Right now we're just making like kind of like sketch mood board, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's still good to like make it look as real as possible. The sunset works is because the light comes from the same source.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of changing the tone a little bit, trying to match that. I think one cool thing we can do is like by bring a different color contrast into it. So maybe something blue or dark blue.
Oh yeah.
Let's try it. I gotta figure out how to merge it, but I think we can do it. Challenge it accepted. So I'm gonna expand the canvas a little bit. This is about here. If I select here in Gem Fill, what's gonna happen? Drum roll, please.
Oh! Everybody save your work.
Always
take a moment.
What if I just select the middle of it and type waterfall? I just want to try this out real quick. You know?
Okay. What if you could put a portal?
Let's make a new world, right? I want to think, oh, like this is really cool. I like this one a lot.
Ooh. Yeah. The first thing we gotta do is give it a more dramatic sky.
Could go back and select sky. This one's weird, but I like it.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna press Q, and I can enter in this mode. It's like an inverted mask. Trying to make it blended slightly better. So now you come up with all of this mood board and then sketches and concept idea, like how do you turn this to your artwork, right? So I need to go figure out where to find these mountains and trees and oceans, and then like use like the Adobe stock, right? To like find the exactly similar looking thing and then to like Photoshop it back together to replace the whole thing, right? But yeah, this is so fun, you know? When you like the great idea just to expand it sideways looks so much different, and then you can just continue to keep building. Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you around the bends. Adios, everybody.